See how to download all Abaqus example IMPs in one folder using command prompt. When we installed Abaqus CA, a lot of IMPs will be example IMPs will be there. So you just need to go to any folder in your Windows where you want to download this and just go to address bar, type CMD and here type Abaqus fetch space job and it will ask for job identifier, means if you want to download a specific example IMP. In my case, I want to download all IMPs, so I will do star dot INP, enter. So it will fetch all jobs and download it here. So you can see that in some time it will start downloading this. So as you can see that it has started downloading all the jobs and after a 1 or 2 minutes everything will be downloaded. Thank you.